Okay, on to using negative exponents. Now again, this can get a little complicated. Let's just try and watch what I'm doing here. Okay, negative exponents. Now, if you remember from the last video, I kind of showed you what was equivalent. A negative exponent you can rewrite as a positive exponent. But what happens is, and it's kind of this, it's just listen to this, it gets flipped upside down. All right, have a look at this here. Here's a good example. 3 to the negative 2 becomes 1 over 3 to the positive 2. Now, that 3 to the negative 2, you can kind of think of as a numerator, okay? And if you want to, you can put it over 1. Well, now this numerator is now a denominator. But can you notice that the exponent has changed sign? So let's have a look at this. Okay, I'm just going to do an example. Okay, so if I write, well, I can maybe bring that example in from last time. Okay, so the x squared over x5. Okay, now remember, if we subtract, because that's what you do when you divide, you get x to the minus 3. Okay? But if I write it like this, x, let's try and do this quickly, x squared, that's on top, a 1, a 2, well let's write there, maybe I can quicker write the x's this way, okay, sorry, there's 5 of them, let's write them a little bit differently. Right, remember, cancel, 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 there's still 3 left on the bottom, on the denominator, and I write a 1 there. So remember, those are equivalent, okay? So actually, if you think about it, I've just switched the position of this particular term to turn it into a positive exponent. It was a numerator, because if I want to, I can write it like that. It's now a denominator. Well, have a look at this over here. Let's just erase this and show you how it works now. Okay, and this is the easiest one to deal with. Right, z to the negative 8. Right, I'm going to stick it, I'm going to do this. Remember, this is one way of doing this. There's many different ways. I'm going to do this. Isn't that what I just kind of said, really? Okay, look, I've switched their position, and now they are positive exponents. If it's already positive, leave it. Okay, do the subtraction. You're going to get z to the negative 3, which remember is the same as 1 over z to the positive 3. But actually, I tend to just tell it a different way, really. I go for this. Right, as soon as you've got this, say to yourself, right, where's there more z's? There's more z's on the bottom. By how many? By 3. Okay? And that's how it works. Of course, if there's more on the bottom, they're going to stay on the bottom. They're going to stay on the denominator. Okay? So you can think of it like that. I mean, if I just do this right now, watch this. x7 over x9. Right, where's there more x's? There's more x's on the bottom. By how many? By 2. And of course, that becomes the 1 there. So think about that. All right? There we go.